Welcome back to the channel, my fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Today's video is dedicated to all the riders out there who love hitting the open highway and feeling the wind in their hair. But, as exhilarating as it may be, highway riding also comes with its own set of challenges and dangers. That's why I've put together some tips and tricks for you to stay safe on the road. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. When you're riding on the highway, you're dealing with high speeds and multiple lanes of traffic. That's why safety should always be your top priority. It only takes one mistake to cause a serious accident. Whether it's wearing the right gear, following traffic rules, or being aware of your surroundings, there are certain steps you should take to protect yourself. The right motorcycle gear can make all the difference in a crash. It's not just about looking cool, it's about protecting your body from injury. A helmet, gloves, jacket, pants, and boots are all essential pieces of gear that can help keep you safe. Make sure your gear fits properly and is designed for motorcycle riding. Before you hit the highway, make sure your motorcycle is in good condition. Regular maintenance can prevent breakdowns and ensure your bike is functioning properly. Check the tires, brakes, lights, and fluids before each ride. Keep your bike clean and in good repair. A well-maintained motorcycle is less likely to cause an accident. Oops, I missed a turn there. Alrighty, let's resume. Highway riding requires constant vigilance. You need to be aware of your surroundings, other drivers, and potential hazards. Pay attention to your speed, lane position, and following distance. Don't let distractions like your phone or music interfere with your focus. Stay alert and ready to react at all times. Riding with a group can be a great way to experience the open road, but it also requires extra precautions. Make sure everyone in the group rides at a similar skill level and follows a designated leader. Use hand signals to communicate instead of relying on intercoms. Keep a safe following distance and avoid lane splitting. Feeling the wind in your hair on the open highway is an incredible experience, but it's important to stay safe while you're out there. In this video, we give you the best tips and tricks for staying safe on the road. From gear to maintenance to riding with a group, we cover everything you need to know to enjoy a smooth and safe ride. So hop on your bike, hit the open road, and don't forget to ride safe. And we have a couple of minutes left to reach the restaurant, Hotel Royal Treat. You can now enjoy the pure exhaust note of my motorcycle.